Hey, beautiful babes, it's Sweet Angel. Listen, if this is your first time hanging out with me, please don't be a stranger. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and tap the post notification bell. So the next time I upload, you'll be right on top of it. Beautiful babes, today I will be showing you how to easily make an effective face mask to brighten your skin, reduce pigmentation, and also deal with anti-aging. It's a real simple mix. This amazing facial mask will benefit anyone who is dealing with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, sunspots, and uneven skin tone. It is also great again for aging skin to slow down that aging process. Let's dive into it. What you'll need today is 1 to 2 tablespoons of papaya seed oil. Yes, papaya seed oil. If you have the papaya fruit, you're welcome to go ahead and substitute. I do have my affiliate link from Amazon where I picked this oil up at. Papaya seed oil is it. Papaya oil contains rich natural sources of fatty acids like vitamin A, vitamin C, omega-6 and 9 that is excellent for nourishing the skin and hair and will improve elasticity. It is light and gets quickly absorbed into the skin without making the skin or scalp feel greasy. Papaya oil is a natural source of vitamin C that is good for the skin and helps in reducing wrinkles, large pores, and dark spots. Daily application will definitely make your skin smooth and fresh. It also helps in lightening to improve your skin's tone and also remove excess facial hair. I need that so much. So keeping in mind, do not put it around your edges or close to your hairline or your eyebrows or eyelashes, okay? Next thing we're going to be using is 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure honey. Yes, pure honey. This one is so amazing. Honey contains numerous antimicrobial properties and is a natural antioxidant. Honey fights microbial infections that cause acne without irritating the skin. Honey is naturally antibacterial, so it's great for acne treatment and prevention. Now, this sweet treat pulls out impurities from your pores that would normally stay clogged, festering bacteria that causes pimples. Honey will also help restore your skin's texture and reduce damage done to your skin by the sun and daily environments you come into contact with. Full of antioxidants, it is great for slowing down aging. It's also going to give your complexion a boost. Yes, it will. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a glow. I know, doesn't that sound amazing? All I did was blended both of these ingredients together in a little mixing bowl. I actually warmed my honey up slightly, so it made it easier to stir into this beautiful little paste that you see here. Just apply this on your cleansed face and neck, leave on for 20 minutes, rinse off with warm water, and pat dry with a soft towel. Sure, you can use a gentle cleanser if you like, but I say why wash completely away what you've just done? So I just simply rinse it off. And if you feel that you need some moisture on your skin, all you have to do is apply an oil-free moisturizer to your face and neck. Apply this daily before bedtime. Every day before bedtime. Again, it's an amazing mask and it's so simple to do. You might want to call it a serum even because it is so lightweight. You can actually leave it on overnight if you like. Papaya oil and the honey has so many wonderful benefits for your skin. The honey containing antioxidants that will nourish your skin, and the papaya oil contains an enzyme called papain that kills dead skin cells to help give you new, fresh, beautiful skin on the surface. There you go. Simple and easy, beautiful babes. I love this so much, and over time, this will definitely help with hyperpigmentation. Y'all have seen me through the months as I have a spot or two here and there, and sometimes, especially the winter months, I tend to get more dark spots than ever. But it is time to let the skin shine through, babies. So let's get to this one right away. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Please make sure you tell somebody where you're hanging out at. Drop a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe if you got something out of this video today. If you don't need it and you're already glowing it up, share it with a friend. Definitely do that. I love hanging out with y'all, and I'll see you on the next video, beautiful babes. And yes, make sure you share me with your world, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey, go ahead and check out another video. Bye.